Do you want to use a passkey to make logging in faster and more secure on your Roblox account? In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Roblox account using a passkey on your Android. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up your passkey. You must create a passkey to use it. So open the Roblox app on your device, then tap the three dots icon at the bottom right. Now tap Settings and tap Account Info. After that, go to the Login Methods section and tap Add Passkey. Then tap Continue. Now enter your Roblox password. Next, tap Create and Continue. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, usually via password or email code. When your phone asks to create a passkey, use your fingerprint, face, or PIN to confirm. Once done, your passkey will be saved on your Google account. Step 2. Log in using passkey. Now open the Roblox app on your Android phone, then tap on Log In. On the login screen, enter your Roblox username. Then tap on Use Passkey or Sign in with Passkey. Your phone will ask for a fingerprint, face unlock, or PIN. Verify it. After verification, you will be logged in instantly, no password needed. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.